looking for. Southeastern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oak Creek, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris
Okay,
will be
hold on.
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be flooded or destroyed. Damage to roofs,
Alright, I'm
windows,
grabbing
and
it.
vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Oak Creek, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, and Franklin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee.